So I have to go to school in approximately 40 minutes. I have a croissant in the oven. I have to make coffee. Like, I want to get to class, but I don't want to wear makeup really because that's a lot of effort and I don't have time. So I'm going to show you like with as minimal products, easy. This is what I do to like get ready as fast as possible. Okay, so I had mentioned that I like foundation and I like concealer, but not at the same time. I meant on my face, not like owning. I like owning both of them. Okay, so first, I'm going to take some concealer. This one's a bit too light for me right now because I took a nap on a park bench. But just put it like on your areas you want to be bright, like you would normally put on concealer. I have face lotion on, and literally that's it. And then you're ready. Okay, once you have it where you want it, take whatever kind of thing you use and literally just buff it out. Because it'll stay where you want it, but then it'll be like on the edges too, a little. This, nice. If I put this everywhere, I would be too pale because it's my concealer color. Okay, perfect. I'm putting on some, what's it called? Eye primer real quick because I didn't put any concealer on my eyes because I don't like the way that this concealer like works as a base. It's not good. It creases, makes the eyeshadow shitty. Okay. So next, after you put on your concealer that you like literally just like it took 2 seconds, I'm gonna take just a little bronze. You can barely see it. Warm. But to kind of counteract the fact that my concealer is too light. Look, I'm literally just rubbing this onto my face. Makeup is easy, makeup is fun, and if it makes you feel good, that's all that matters. Okay, now that I have a little bit of bronze kind of covered up the rest of my skin that didn't have any stuff on it, done with this, and we're gonna move on to blush. I like to do blush because like it just brings life to your face, makes you look cute, and you look made up without wearing that much makeup. Like I have 2 things on right now. It's pretty like not very pink, but I'm just gonna hit it. Look at that. Blush? No blush. Okay, I've blushed on my cheeks now. It looks really good, I think. Like, I know I look like I'm not wearing any makeup, but you guys have been watching, there's proof. I'm gonna put a little bit of that same color on my nose just because I like feeling cute, I like feeling sun-kissed. You know, that park bench nap did me dirty on a summer day, spring day. And yeah, look how cute that is. Next, I like to take this concealer again and just, yeah, throw it on there. And then I'm going to take a brush instead of a sponge and just kind of buff that out. Quickly go back in after you put that with your brush and kind of just rebuff that line out so it doesn't look like you put concealer there and made it look like you have cheekbones yourself. Next, I'm going to take some eyebrows. I usually don't do this if I'm doing this look. Oh, there's my croissant. Told y'all. Okay, so my croissant is out of the oven, but she's cooling and I'm heating up water real quick just to prove to you guys how on the go this is. So I'm going to take the brows now, and I don't really want to do eyebrows today. So I'm just going to focus on the tails of the brow, because if your tails look good, like I don't know, the front doesn't really need. I'm really bad at eyebrows, y'all. I'm not bad, I just don't care. But you know what? Since we're like not wearing anything, I know this is a sin, but there's no right way to do makeup. There are ways that might help you look better in the end, but or make it easier to apply stuff. But I don't think there's like a right way to do makeup. That's my 2 cents at least. Pretend that there's some hairs here. I got distracted with talking and kind of filled in my whole eyebrow, but I did it really light, like I just threw it on. Okay, so I finished my eyebrows and I'm gonna move on to eyes, and for eyes I'm gonna be using Monitor Renaissance. Yeah, she beat up, but still does the job. I'm gonna start with a poofy brush. Gonna hit, let's see, I really, no method to my madness. Let's see, I'm gonna start with this golden yellow one. You can use whatever, I don't know, unless you have this. I feel like if you have this, you probably know it by heart. I'm gonna put this in my crease. Got a little bit of fluff. I'm gonna put this in my crease. Easy. After we get that little yellow everywhere, or whatever you feel like using, I'm just gonna go in with some of this raw sienna and put that on the lid. This just gave my eyeballs a little bit of definition. I'm gonna go back in now. I'm feeling kind of crazy right now, so I'm gonna get this one. Red ochre. And I'm gonna go on the outer edge. I told you that this was a quick, like, makeup look. I was mainly talking about the base. Like, the water isn't done heating for my coffee, so I'm gonna just remain here until it's ready. Do you feel cute? Do you feel creative? Good, because you should. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this raw sienna. I'm gonna put it under my eyes to cover up any dark circles with brown shadow so that I can pretend like I intentionally put them there. And after you got that on, I like to wing it up a little bit. I'm gonna go back in and just kind of blend out under my eyes with my brush that I've been using for literally everything. So this is pretty much the entire look other than some mascara, and I'm only gonna put it on my top lashes. Okay, so if you're like me and you messed up your mascara, just put some more concealer on it. Okay, this is pretty much the entire look. But these are the last steps, and then this look is complete, but I will show you guys what it looks like when it is done. I'm just gonna go get my food. So, before I drink my coffee, I'm gonna put on lipstick just because I really don't care if I drink coffee and my lipstick comes off onto my coffee. I'll just put more on. And it's too hot to drink right now. For lips today, I'm gonna be finishing off with some Ulta Beauty brand stuff that I got. It's called Shiny Liquid Lipstick. It's pretty much just like really thick gloss, but like really pigmented gloss. I usually don't use lip liner, but when you're wearing like a gloss like this, it's kind of good. So when my gloss comes off of my coffee, I'll still have like a little bit of the same color. Alright, lip liner's on. Now for the very last step. Some nice shiny gloss. Okay, this is the complete look. I know I told you that this is going to be quick and easy on your way to school, but I was truthful about the quick and easy part. It looks like glam, but you did it in really fast, like, and with very few products. Final look. Great. Ready for the big reveal. The big reveal thing that I was talking about was my hair. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope that you feel like you understand how you can quickly use some concealer and some blush, and either you could have left it like as just the base, a quick base, the lips and eyes, do however you feel, or just use softer colors, whatever you have. Your makeup suits you the best. It's what you bought for yourself. Oh, one more thing, I want to let you guys know that my Instagram is Cakes Looks. I'll put it there or something. I post a lot more on there, but I am making little videos because I am so lonely in Los Angeles, and makeup is one way that I feel happy. And I want it to make you feel good too. Catch you next time.